Hello and welcome back to SkillMark Academy. This is Chapter 3, Marketing Frameworks, 7 Ps and STP. Your ultimate guide to building smarter strategies and sharper campaigns. Now that we've mapped the marketing landscape, it's time to open the toolbox. Because great marketing isn't about random tactics, it's about using proven frameworks to guide every decision. Today, we're diving into two of the most powerful frameworks in marketing, the 7 Ps marketing mix, your complete business blueprint, and STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning, your precision targeting system. You may have heard of the classic 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, but as the world evolved, so did marketing. Enter the 7 Ps with 3 more pillars: people, process, and physical evidence. To bring this alive, let's break it down with 2 giants, Starbucks and Flipkart. Product. It's not just what you sell, it's the experience, features, and design. Starbucks sells more than coffee. It sells frappuccinos, seasonal favorites like the pumpkin spice latte, and consistent quality worldwide. Flipkart? It's India's online megastore, electronics, groceries, fashion, and even private labels like MarQ and SmartBuy. Price? Starbucks positions itself with premium pricing. You're not just paying for coffee, you're paying for the experience. Flipkart, in contrast, plays to India's price-sensitive market with discounts, flash sales, and their legendary Big Billion Days. Place. Starbucks thrives in urban hubs, airports, drive-thrus, and even apps. Flipkart's place is digital, its app, website, and vast delivery network, reaching even the smallest towns. Promotion. Starbucks relies on loyalty programs, visually engaging social media, and campaigns like the Red Cup holiday tradition. Flipkart uses mass advertising, celebrity ambassadors like Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, and powerful SEO to dominate search results. People. At Starbucks, the baristas themselves are the brand, friendly, trained, and personal. At Flipkart, people include thousands of customer support staff and delivery partners, the true face of the brand for millions. Process. Starbucks standardizes every step, from mobile ordering to handing over your cup. Flipkart ensures a smooth journey, from product search to checkout, delivery, and even returns. Physical evidence. Starbucks has the ambiance, aroma, Wi-Fi, and iconic logo on every cup. Flipkart, its app design, professional packaging, and even the uniforms of its delivery staff reinforce trust. See how powerful the 7 Ps are? They don't just describe what a business does, they shape the entire customer experience. If the 7 Ps are the building blocks, STP is the architectural plan. It answers 3 questions. Who is my customer? Which group do I serve? And how should I position myself in their mind? Let's take the wheel with Tata Motors and Maruti Suzuki. Segmentation. Break the big market into smaller groups. Demographic. Tata appeals to middle-class families with the Tiago and to professionals with the Harrier. Geographic. Compact cars for crowded cities, rugged trucks for rural roads. Psychographic. Their Nexon EV attracts eco-conscious buyers. Behavioral. Maruti nailed this with fuel efficiency as the core benefit. Targeting. You can't please everyone. Tata and Maruti use multi-segment targeting, different cars for different groups. Maruti goes further, with arena showrooms for the mass market and Nexa showrooms for premium buyers. Positioning. The secret weapon. Tata Punch and Nexon, positioned on safety. Harrier and Safari, positioned as premium SUVs with power and presence. Tata Ace, positioned as the affordable, reliable Chota Hathi for small businesses. The result? A clear, memorable image in the consumer's mind. Here's the magic. STP defines the why and the who. The 7 Ps define the what and the how. For example, when Tata positions the Nexon EV for urban, eco-conscious professionals, that decision drives every 7 P: product features, pricing, showroom location, green promotions, trained staff, smooth buying process, and modern design. Together, STP and 7Ps create a complete marketing blueprint, from strategy to execution. And that wraps up Chapter 3, the 7Ps and STP frameworks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next chapter in your marketing journey. See you in the next chapter, only here at SkillMark Academy.